Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost.
What?
Yeah, that's permit from campus police to use the rail.
I don't.
You cannot do
Then
that.
you can't do that. The cops are going to come.
Okay.
This is a university property and you're damaging university property.
Okay.
So you have to contact campus police.
You can't contact campus because they're going to come. I'm just warning you.
Okay. All right.
And because I'm working also for the department administration here, if you continue, I have to call them.
Okay. Everyone else got stopped by the cops. They just pulled up. As you guys saw in the clip, that lady called the cops. They're like, right? Oh, I think they just told them to leave because I think they're gone.
They just said, hey, no skating here. Well, they came up and I was like, hey, before they said anything, I was like, yeah, and they said that we know we can't skate. Someone just told us that we couldn't, so we're leaving. They're like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, you need like permits to film and stuff. And we're like, okay.
Isn't it funny though how like...
Yeah, me and Monica went and sat down at a table.
Yes, that's what we assumed. Did you get pizza?
Yeah.
Was I trying to get food?
We didn't get pizza.
focus of this, so why would you film anyone else?
Try and impress those girls.
I wanted to add a hoodie to the line. This is what we came up with. We also got one other shirt, one other t-shirt that we're adding to the line. Jesus fucking Christ, dude.
Oh my god.
This looks so good. That's the front, that's the back.
Oh.
Really fucking excited on this. It came out really good. Anorak hoodie, logo hoodie, t-shirts. We got the Always Hard striped shirt, the worldwide logo hats. I'm making more pants. You're gonna have to buy them through BLUETILE, but there is gonna be like an option and a link and an image on the website to be able to go over there, and it's just gonna directly link you to the checkout over there on BLUETILE to purchase them. Are you zooming in all the way?
Maybe.
I just can see the iris like opening up.
Yes.
You like it?
So sick.
How's it feel?
It feels amazing.
These are the program shirts. In case you guys forgot which ones will be there, this is what they look like. Very excited on these. I'm excited on all of the products that's dropped. Everything just looks like fucking quality. And that's it. That's the full line. March 2nd is the day that we're dropping everything. The site won't be live until 8 p.m. on March 2nd. That is a Saturday. And I'm gonna be at program probably around like noon. I'm gonna give you guys more details once I find out. Here's the details. Just dropped off the shirts. They're not gonna be live until March 2nd. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be here at 3 o'clock and I'm only gonna be here for an hour. So get here, don't be late if you would like to get a shirt or just meet me in general. Also too, the shirts are gonna be on the program website as well. There is a chance that they might sell out though in that first day, because we're gonna have some in store here and on the website. So if you want one and you live in the area, I suggest you come to program. And I'm only gonna be here for an hour, and I think I'll have like stickers or something that I can sign for you guys as well. We're also working on something else with another brand and possibly doing like a show at program with Slammin' and another brand. If you want to keep up with the drops and you want to keep up with like the full length that's coming out, you're gonna need to like watch the whole video just so you don't miss any details. Someone said that I sounded like their teacher saying to like pay attention, but it's true though. Like you're gonna miss out on all this stuff because I update you everything here and on my Instagram. You can always follow my Instagram too, that's down below, because I'm always like blasting the details all over social media, but mostly here in the videos. So every single item that is purchased is gonna come with a Slammin' sticker. I just got these worldwide stickers. And they're all gonna be in clear poly bags, so we're really like concerned about the packaging. I'm really concerned with the packaging this time and just the presentation of the product, because as you guys know, like as I've been saying, like I want this shit to just be like quality. I want it to scream quality, and it's just really important to me. Being careful with materials, careful with packaging. Obviously I'm gonna learn things as I go, and it's gonna get better as I go along. All of that stuff adds production value, so all of that stuff adds quality, which means that the price has to go up a tiny bit because we're putting extra time and effort into the packaging and into the quality of the threads, into the quality of the designs, and the quality of the printing. So like there's a reason for that, and I'm kind of scared, but it's like this isn't just like a toy play around, I'm a YouTuber merch guy now. Like no, this is what I'm turning everything that's accumulated over the last 2 years. This is where it's all going. It's all going into this. So the slight price increase is because the quality has gone up. We have to pay for the amenities. It has to come from somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be very normal standard pricing if you were to go in any store and buy anything. I'm not making stuff that would be sold at Target. If I was, then yeah, the shirts would be $15. That's not what we're doing here. This is name brand shit.
If you like pina coladas, get caught